And pretty much there you have it. Simple. Just going to add a little salt and pepper on top. I already had a little salt earlier. And I'll throw some grated in there, which I happen to enjoy. And then let it just brown up a little bit. And you know, for a quick meal, I mean, that's enough for 4 people really, but probably 3 of me. I'm gonna eat at least a third of that, maybe half. But you know, it's probably $4 worth of stuff. It took me like 15 minutes to throw it together. And yeah, it's just a great meal. And years ago when I had the sub shop, I mean, pepper and egg subs where I grew up were like a norm. Like, you go into sub shops around the Boston area, you get a pepper and egg. So I morphed it into making egg bombs, which were awesome. And it's similar to this. I mean, peppers, onions, mushrooms, and cheese. More like an omelet, though. I didn't break up the egg like this. But so roasted peppers in this, I can't wait. It's going to taste awesome. So have a good day. Enjoy the snow in New England. And maybe we'll do some sauce and some meatballs later. Bye-bye.